Panthers, welcome back to Geography. My name is Miss Aquino, and in this video we will be talking about your assignment for April 1st, 2020. So we're going to begin by finding your assignment in your Google Classrooms. If you go to your Google Classrooms, you're going to go to Classwork. There you're going to find where it says 4/1/2020 Events of World War I. You're going to click on that, view assignment, and in the right, you'll find your document that you will write on and turn into me at the end of the day. So what we're going to be doing in this lesson is we're going to be looking at major events of World War I. We've already talked about many of these events, including the end of the war yesterday, but now we're going to take all of that information and we're going to put it into a timeline. So in order for us to get started, I'm going to read the directions. You're going to use the internet to write 5 details for each of the following events as it relates to World War I. Details can include, but are not limited to, dates, people, definitions, causes, and effects. So the assignment is fairly straightforward. All you're going to do is you're going to look at the event, and then you're going to go to your internet browser, and you are going to look for that event. So this one is the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, which we've already talked about, but we're just going to go through the motions. We're going to find something about Archduke Franz Ferdinand. I'm going to use this one. I try to use something besides Wikipedia. It's not that there's anything wrong with it. It's just, variety. And then I'm going to find 5 facts. So for example, I would say the date that it occurred on. Where's my thing? Okay. So it happened in 1914. I could also put what country Franz Ferdinand was from. And so he's from Austria-Hungary, which we can see over here, Austria-Hungary Emperor. He's the next in line. So we would go back and we would write heir to Austrian Hungarian. I don't know if that's how you say that. Throne. All right. We're going to continue doing this until we get 5 facts, okay? Another fact, I'll do one more, is that he was assassinated by a Serbian. And then I guess we can say this event was the spark of World War I. And you're going to go so on and so forth. Then you're going to go to the Lusitania, which we talked about once again. That's that ship that was sunk by a German U-boat, the Battle of the Somme, the Zimmermann telegram, that secret alliance between Mexico and Germany. These are going to be some heroes of World War I, the Russian Revolution and communism. The Battle of the Argonne Forest is going to be like the Germans' last stand. Ooh, the influenza. This is actually a pandemic. Let me fix this. Pandemic. This is going to be whenever, since this was a world war, we're going to see a lot of people interacting with people from all over the world. Oh, duh. And one of the things that we're going to see spread is a virus. And this is going to lead to the influenza pandemic. It's going to begin in 1918, and it's not going to be over until the 1920s. Germany is going to sign the armistice or the peace treaty, and then finally the Treaty of Versailles. So whenever you're done putting your 5 details about each topic, you are going to basically take that information and you're going to turn it into a timeline using Google Slides. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to use Google Slides to create a timeline of 10 major events plus the title slide. So you'll have 11 slides total. You're going to include 3 details about each event. And then you are going to have a visual that reflects each of those or that event or those details. So this is actually a group assignment. You can have up to 5 people in your group. You need to put all of your group members over here. So we can put like Alicia Aquino, Erica McCready, and then Fallon Okay, I can't spell her last name. All right, and then you would submit that, and I would know what your who your group was. The next thing you have to do is you have to share your presentation with me. So how you do that is you're going to go into your Google Drive. You're going to go to New, go to Google Slides. You're going to title your slide, your first one, Events of World War I. I was typing it, but we'll see what happens. Events of World War I. Then you're going to go to Share, Save, and then you're going to add all your group members. So make sure you include me, aquino@heightshs.org. Okay, so you would do that one. Let's say Miss McCready, and then you would do, that's how you spell her last name. All right, so this is basically how you're going to share people. Done. I'm gonna go back. After you're done with that, you're basically done with your assignment for the day. So here's how I'm gonna grade you. If you do all your details and you have those details in your own words, you'll get 80 points. If you copied and pasted, but you did all your details, you'll get 60 points. If you only completed 50% of the assignment or 50% or more, et cetera, you can read the rest. Group selection is worth 10 points. So if you create a group, you get 10 points. This can be a group of up to 10 people. And then also if you create and share a presentation with me, that will be a total of 10 points. So if you accomplish all of that, you can get 100 for this assignment. When you're done, you're gonna click Turn It In, Turn It In, Turn It In. I will grade it, and then you will be done for the day. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section of this assignment. Other than that, I hope everybody has a great Wednesday, April Fool's Day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.